bird potties.
No bird potties?
Mm-hmm. So, let me look my hair.
You want to brush your hair?
Yeah.
Is there bird poop in your hair?
Yeah.
How much bird poop is in there? Why did a bird poop in your hair?
I don't know. I don't know what my hair is. So, Mama, what is my hair?
There's no poo-poo in your hair. I promise.
You can't do.
No. Poo-poo in Daddy's hair?
Yeah.
Where's the poop in Daddy's hair?
I don't know what my hair.
Is there a lot of poop in my hair? Does Friggle have bird poop on her?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know where it is.
Rosa, are you wearing your big girl panties?
Yeah,
Let's see them.
like this.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Too big. I love the dress. It's pretty. Twirl.
Ta-da!